Okay guys, welcome back to the final part of my huge GBFKE.com unboxing. As you can guess, I'm filming this on while go, so I have to make some space because we have a huge painting coming up. But first let's start with the smallest item in here. And these are some skull stickers, but to diamond paint. And I actually have a whole lot of stickers to diamond paint. I've never done them or anything. They're still waiting for me to get to them one day. But this was really cheap, like $1.99 or something. Oh, we have some extra stickers in here as well. Let me zoom you guys in a little so you can see what it is. So these are just huge stickers. Okay, so yeah, they are clear stickers, but they are of course now sticky because we have to drill them first. Just some skulls. I thought they were cute. I think I'm gonna pick one of these. I have a pink and a yeah, sort of minty color phone case coming, so this would be awesome to put on a phone case. And we have some tiny stickers of the skulls as well. And we, of course, our drills. And we get an entire toolkit with this. I think it was $1.99, like seriously. And I just had to have these. Okay, still having trouble opening stuff. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I see. Okay, so we have 7 colors. You can see 7 colors. Or this looks like 310. This looks like 5200. Okay, so 7 colors, and they should be on. Oh, it's just 1 to 7. That's perfect. Perfect! Nice little thing to do. And I was just thinking this would be awesome to take with you if you're out of town for a couple days or something and you don't want to bring an entire diamond painting. And it comes in a nice bag as well. Can't go wrong with what I paid for it. Okay. Okay, so now we have 2 more diamond paintings before our big finale. Probably special shaped, knowing me. Oh, I went all out. Will you open this? Okay, great. What is this one? Ooh! Oh, isn't that cool? Awesome. Awesome. Only 6 colors. This would be like easy, like a couple of hours of work, but I really love the image. And my mom is actually Scorpio. So I just thought the image was so cool. But 6 colors. 1 to 6. And I don't even have to open the back because we can see them all right here, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is all. We don't have DMC codes, so. Okay, but let me zoom in. Just, you know, on the drill field, even though this is going to be so easy. Yeah, this would be probably 2 or 3 hours max, because easy to do, but still fun, and a very awesome image, I believe. Okay, so we're going pretty fast so far. Again, toolkit. Okay. And let's open this one, which will probably be our last special shape. Right. There is some extra tape on here. Of course we have a special shape. Oh, this is cute though. Oh man. Oh, it's getting stuck. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Wow, 15 colors. Or different reels. This is awesome. Kind of reminds me a little of the elephant I did unbox in the last video. Never mind. Okay. So we have a legend on both sides. This is going to be packed with drills. Well, not packed, but there are a lot of drills to be placed. Here we go. And they have got this down. Just color 1 to 15. No weird symbols or anything. Perfect. Okay, so while you're this close, let's look at the drills. We have okay. So we have our 5200, of course. This is 601, 444, 666. Oh, very colorful. Pretty. And now we have some special shaped drills. Oh, these are stunning. Wow. And some nice yellow pearls. And these, I've been seeing a lot of these during these unboxing. Oh, we have a few more, of course. We have some stars, gold stars. And we have a few teardrops in pink and red. Awesome. A nice, fun, quick project to do. I'm just putting the drill back in the bag because, yeah. There we go. Awesome. Now, our grand finale. Oh, man. Make room. Make room. Make room. Oh, this is going to be stunning. Oh, let's get into it. And I have to zoom you out, especially probably as far as I can. Can I go any further? No? That's it? Okay. Do this. Oh. And yeah, the hard part is the image is actually like this. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. Okay. Let me just do it from the side, shall we? Oh man, this is stunning. This is stunning. Oh, so pretty. Oh, we actually have two toolkits with this one. Oh, wow. I hope you can sort of like tilt your phone or tablet a little so you can see the image. I love birds like these, and they are around a lot where I live, so I spot these magnificent birds all the time, and they're always on a wooden post. And yeah, I had to get this one. It's perfect. Only 22 colors. which is nice because, you know, it's not such a colorful painting, so you don't need a ton of different shades. Oh, wow. And, oh, the best part, it's all letters. No weird symbols or anything, just all letters. Whoa. Wow. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, no DMC codes on the bags, but they are on the canvas. Let me zoom in a little so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is all that's on the bags. It's a reference to the painting, which is great if you store these separately, like I do. You can always find the right drills again for your canvas. Should we look at the drill field? Look at all the beautiful letters. So easy. I love this. Okay. Let's quickly go through these drills. I think we have some doubles here. We do. These look the same as well. 9, 9. 3 bags of number 9. These look the same as well. 2 bags of number 10. Bags of number, what is it? 13. Nice. That was our first batch. Okay, so we have 2 of the color 16. I don't know what happened here. Can you see? It's all foggy. These are, no, they're not the same. They're not the same. In color number 22, I have 3 of those bags. Oh man. This is perfect. Oh, look at the big claw. This is gonna be perfect. Oh. I love this one. I'm so glad I got it. Even though I'm such a fan lately of doing like smaller diamond paintings, you can't really do this one in a small size. You really have to go large with this kind of image. So awesome! I'm so pleased with my order. They never disappoint. So thank you so much for watching. Okay guys, here are the stickers finished. They are very sticky still overall, so I really have to let these dry, so to make sure to make sure no hairs are going to be stuck in there or something. It was an overall big sheet, so same goes for these. I really like these, by the way. I think they're stunning. And they're so cool. I think I'm gonna put them on the back of my laptop or something. I don't know yet. I don't know. But I do know I really want to use these. So, yeah. But, you know, I know it's getting quite old. But I have another Luminous painting to show you guys. So this is the cat I did. And with the cat, there were actually quite a lot of the 5200 Luminous drills. So we have them all over the cat, these lines right here, all these lines right here, and also the flowers. I haven't seen it yet, what it looks like in the dark, but let's just do that. Or no, first, let me zoom in a little. Show you guys up close what it looks like. I think it's really cute. It does have some like overall random like they're all random. I don't think I have any of the 5200s that are random like that. But it's just, oh yeah, let's put a little drill down here and one over there and stuff like that. It's very random. I don't mind. But yeah, that's what I noticed. Anyway, let's get you guys back and let's hold this in front of the light. You know the drill. As soon as I turn off the light, it's going to be very, very dark. But yeah, only for a second. Hold on. Oh wow! Oh, look at that! I hope it's not flashing again. Look at that! That is awesome. Oh, I really like these. I do really enjoy the random placements of a single drill as I look at it now. This is so cool. Okay, hold on. Okay, so that was everything for my entire haul, and I know what you're thinking, like how many products do you have left? Well, 2 of them actually went straight to my mom because she wanted to do them. That was the Budgie and the Scorpion. She wanted to do them herself, so kudos. So I have like 3-4 projects left out of this haul. Anyway, after doing so many so many round drills and special shape drills, I am dying for some good square drills. And I don't know if I'm the only one who has that. I enjoy both, like the square and the round. But after I've been doing so many round drills, I want to do a square now. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope you enjoyed this entire unboxing, and I hope you're safe and healthy, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye!